As a psychology student or practitioner, you've likely needed to find information about psychological tests or measures, or you will at some point in your career. Whether you're researching a specific population or topic, it's essential to identify the right research instrument. Perhaps you already have a test in mind and want to explore how other researchers have used it. Or maybe you need to find research articles that include test items within the full-text publication. In this video, you'll see how to accomplish these goals using the Test and Measures field in APA PsycInfo. Let's say you're researching strategies for helping people with brain injuries develop self-advocacy skills. With this topic in mind, you'll need to identify an appropriate test or measure for your study. Start on the APA PsycInfo search page. In the first search box, type brain, INJUR, asterisk, and set it to subjects-SU. In the second box, type self-advocacy with quotes and set it to tests and measures-TM. The asterisk after INJUR ensures that you'll capture results with both injury and injuries. Using quotes around self-advocacy treats it as a single phrase. Now select Search. The first result, Enhancing Self-Advocacy After Traumatic Brain Injury, a Randomized Controlled Trial, looks on target. Select the title to learn more. When you open this item, scroll down to the Test and Measures section to find a list of research instruments used in the study. For example, this randomized controlled trial used 4 different scales. Notice that several of the scales, including the self-advocacy scale, include a DOI link. Selecting this link will open a detailed summary in APA Psych Tests. Even without access to APA Psych Tests, you'll still find useful information on this page. What if you already know the test you want to use and just need to see how it's applied in research? Let's use the self-advocacy scale we just found as an example. In the search box, type self-advocacy scale using quotes and set the field to Test and Measures. Your results will show journal articles, books, and other research documents where this specific scale is mentioned. For example, open Family Members' Perspectives on the Acceptability and Impact of a Co-Facilitated Information Program. Scrolling down to the Test and Measures section, you can confirm that this scale was used in the study. If you'd like, you can switch to the APA Psych test at this point by clicking the DOI link. Finally, you might want to find research where the full text of a test is included. For this, you'll search using the word appended. Go back to the search page and start a new search. In the first search box, type appended and set it to tests and measures. In the second box, type brain, INJUR, with an asterisk, and set it to subjects-SU. This search will return results where the test is included in the publication. Appended tests are usually found in the article's appendix, or sometimes they may appear as a table, a figure, or within the methods section. To access a test, start by opening the HTML full text of an item such as this article, Initial Validation of Personal Self-Advocacy Measures for Individuals with Acquired Brain Injury. You can select Access Results on the Result page and then Online Full Text, or select the title and then select the same link within the Detailed Information page. Once you've opened the article's full text, use Ctrl F to search for the appendix. In this example, it brought us right to the self-advocacy test we were looking for. You can also use Ctrl F to search for a table, a figure, the methods section, or the name of a test. APA PsycInfo's Test and Measures field is a powerful tool for finding articles where authors mention a test or measure. Whether you're discovering new tests, evaluating how tests are used, or locating full text versions of measures, this feature is invaluable for your research. Thanks for watching. For more research tips and strategies, please see our YouTube channel or visit the APA website.